Hello students, welcome to my class again. Me Nazmun Nahar Poly from Fatima High School. Today I am with class 9 and 10, and last class we learned about how to write a letter. What are the main parts of a letter? That means informal letter, because we are in class 9 English first paper. In our syllabus we have to write informal letters. So after learning or after having this class, we will be able to listen for information, write short paragraph or simple formal or informal letters, and after this lesson we will be able to write the main ideas and we can describe any event. Last day, can you remember that we are talking about the parts and the structure, and now we are going to write a sample, that means an example. Clear? In your question paper you can see that we have to write a letter. Think that you have to write a letter to your pen pal who is from Nepal, and he or she is eager to know about your native country, your motherland, your homeland, Bangladesh, or your country. Your country. As a Bangladeshi, we have to write about our country. Okay, so think that you have learnt a lot about Bangladesh, because we are Bangladeshi by born and we are Bangladeshi by birth. Our parents are also from Bangladesh, so we know something about Bangladesh. Think that you have to write about your country, so you can write from your general knowledge. Do you think so? Yes, I think so. Now look at the whiteboard. Think that this is Bangladesh. First number you can write Bangladesh. In your letter, because she or he is from the foreign country, she or he doesn't know anything about Bangladesh. Maybe she doesn't, or he only knows about the name of your country. So you can write about your country from top to bottom, that means from the born. So first number you can write that we became independent in 1971. Be careful about the date. If you don't remember the date, there is a confusion between 26 March or 16 December. Which one is our victory day? 26 March? Nope. 16th December. So if you are confused, 16th December, you can write that we got our independence in. You can also write about the area of Bangladesh, and you know that the area is 1,47,570 square kilometers. So you can write about your area. Next number, you can write about your flag. Do you know how many colors are there in your flag? Yes, we have 2 colors. So you can write about your flag. There are 2 colors in our flag, and the red and the green. Now look at the flag. Here is our flag, national flag. This is our flag. Okay, and this is a rectangular size. This is not a square. This is not a triangular. Clear? This is rectangular. And look at the color, the bottle green, not only the light green, the bottle green and the red. What is the significance of these colors? First number, we can say that the green is the color of youth. On the other hand, you can say that the green is the color of the nature of Bangladesh, because Bangladesh is a beautiful country and the main color of the trees are green. So Bangladesh is a green country. Second number, look at the circle. This is the new sun, or we have sacrificed our lives to get this national flag. Clear? So we can write that Bangladesh has a national flag and the color of the flag is green and red. The red signifies the blood and the rising sun. On the other hand, the green color symbolizes the youthfulness and the greenness of Bangladesh. So you can write, and you can also write about the designer of the flag. Do you know who is the designer of this flag? I think that you have learnt about this, about the designer in class 8 in art and craft class. Yes, he is Potua Kamrul Hassan. So you can write about this flag. And next number, you can write about the capital of Bangladesh. Capital of Bangladesh. And the capital of Bangladesh is, thank you, Dhaka. You can also write about the seaports. And you know that there are seaports. The first number is Chittagong, second number Mongla, third number Paira, yes, and the fourth number, the new one, Cox's Bazar. Good. So there are 4 seaports in Bangladesh. You can also write about the rivers of Bangladesh. Okay, there are more than 700 small and big rivers in Bangladesh. 700 rivers. So Bangladesh is a riverine country. So you can write that Bangladesh is a riverine country, and the main rivers of Bangladesh is the Podda, the Meghna, the Jamuna, the Surma, the Brahmaputra, etc., etc. Okay. Next number, you can write about the seasons of Bangladesh. You will be glad to know that there is no other country in the world which has 6 seasons separately. But Bangladesh is the country which has 6 seasons, and they are different from each other. All the seasons are different. So you can write about the names of the seasons. The first one is the summer, second one is the rainy season, third one is the early autumn, fourth one is the late autumn, next number the winter, and the last, the king of the seasons, the spring. So you can write about the seasons, about the flowers, about the fruits, about the atmosphere of this season, and about the significance of these seasons, because all the seasons are different from each other, and these seasons have enriched the country of Bangladesh. Clear? Next number, you can write about the foods of Bangladesh. We know that Bangladesh has multi-purpose, multicultural, multi-spices foods. All of them are each other, different from each other, and they all have their own taste. Clear? So you can write about the foods, and you can also write about our traditional foods. You can write about the pithas. You can write about the fishes. We have 2 kinds of fishes, sweet water and salty water. And you know that Bangladesh is in second place of harvesting the fish, and Hilsa is our national fish. You can also write about the national things. That means all the national things. That means we know that he or she is a foreigner. So you can write about the flower. Which one is the national flower of Bangladesh? Yes, this is water lily. There are various types of lilies. Some of them are pinkish, some of them are reddish, some of them are quite pinkish, that means the purple color. But Bangladesh's national flower is the white one. Clear? Second number, you can write about the fruits of Bangladesh. Fruits. There are different types of fruits. Some of them we get in summer from the winter. and we can write about the vegetables also, and the fruits, that means mainly we can write the jackfruit, the main fruit, that means the national fruit of Bangladesh. The national mosque is the Baitul Mukarram mosque. The national forest is the Sundarbans. The national museum is at Shahabag, Dhaka. You can also write about the national park, okay, the national anthem. You can also write about the national anthem, okay. Next number, you can write about the fruits, that means jackfruit, lychee, pineapple, banana, blackberry, blueberry, that means guava, okay, turnip, star apple. Various types of fruits are there in Bangladesh, so you can write about them. Next number, you can also write about the tradition of Bangladesh. That means the tradition, Bangladesh is a traditional country. If you join this country, if he or she visits our country, she will get the Pohela Boishak, the first day of Bangla year. She can also enjoy the Eid's festivals, the puja, the another festives. And for the Christians, the people who are Christian in Bangladesh, they observe the Borodin, clear? And the Bodhu Purnima, Maghi Purnima. We also celebrate this type of festives. And you can write that there is a slogan, Dharmo Jarjar, Utshab Shabar. In Bangladesh, all the types of religious people and different caste, greed and society will live harmony in here. So you can write about the religion of Bangladesh. Most of the people of Bangladesh are Muslims, but there live Hindus, the Christians, the Buddhists and some tribal people. There are some tribal people, they also have some own language and own culture, own religion, and in Bangladesh they can celebrate their religious festivals, clear? Second number, in Bangladesh we are live harmony with all kinds of people. Most of the people of Bangladesh are farmers, and of all of them, some of them we are traders, the businessman, the teacher, the banker, the social worker, the freelancers, okay. So there are various type of occupation in Bangladesh, but most of the people of Bangladesh are farmers, because more than 80% people live in villages, clear? Next number, we can also write about the World Heritage Site, that means the historical places of Bangladesh. First number, if you want to visit Bangladesh, or he or she because from Nepal, so if she or he comes to visit Bangladesh, he or she will visit or see some historical places. Historical places. As we are from Khulna, so if he or she visits Khulna, first number we will take her to our Shat Gambuz Mosque, because this is World Heritage and we know that it got World Heritage Site in 1985, and we have also the biggest mangrove Sundarbans, and it is also in Khulna. Next number, there are many historical places like Ahsan Manzil, Lal Bagh Killa, Puri Bibir Majar. Next number, you can also or take him or her to the Cox's Bazar, the largest series all over the world, and we have also a coral island. This is St. Martin, and the color of Bangladesh, the sea color, the green color, it will just amaze all the visitors, and they can also visit our country. So these are the facts of our country. We said that Bangladesh is a poor country. Nowadays this is not a poor country. We are going to the middle developed country. Inshallah we will get this item, okay. But after 200 years of British rule, and 24 years for Pakistani rule, we got our independence and we are free and sovereign country. So Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Bangladesh is our motherland, and Bangladesh is just going towards, that means forwards. And for this reason, we will write about all the things about Bangladesh. And if you want to write any new items, or you want to add any new items, you can also add that. And be careful about the length of the letter. I have mentioned that you can write within 150 words. As a student of class 9 or 10, we have to write this letter or any kind of letter within 150 words or 2.5 pages. So be careful about the length of the letter. You can write this letter within 150 words and 2.5 pages. Clear? Next number, you can write this letter in paras. If you write all through in a para, the examiner will bored to see or watch or examine your khata. So please be careful about this para. Don't over exercise or don't write an email. Clear? So this is our letter, and if you read or write these items, then you will be able to write any kind of paragraph. And all these informations you have got from your knowledge, from your BGS book, maybe from your general knowledge, maybe from your experience. Clear? So this is a letter. So after this lesson, we will be able to write any kind of letter, paragraph, dialogue about our country, Bangladesh. Okay, that's all for today. I think that I will see you soon. Till then,